Ha? Smulos tayo. Oh, wala?
Five-minute training time. No good. 2 points. Number 3, number 1. 2 points. Number 8, number 2. No good. Number 7. Number again. Number 7 again. 2 points. 4 minutes 30 seconds. Number 7. Number 7. 2 points. 1 minute 30 seconds. It's a foul.
Namatay ko pa mo. 20 minutes.
The 7. 2 points. The 7. Pass number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Foul.
Yo.
Official score. 15 10 seconds.
Hindi na. Sakto na ni. Hindi mo ko sa ugot-ugotan.
5. 2 points.
Sulod! Ano yan?
Tayo siya to na. Tayo, Herman, Hermano. Type 0 nga. Lasak, ano di? Nice pass! Nice foul. Nice one.
Number 8. Pass number 9. Basket. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Still by jersey number 26. Still again. Pass to number 6. Number 11. Still by jersey number 11 again. Pass to 14. 14.
Kagawad to right na pwede sa ladar sa na.
Number 11. Number 14. 50 seconds. 30 seconds.
Sa!
Number 26. 1 second.
Tupad kasi ha, para sa bubuyon, duwaw. Nice done!
Number 3, 4. No good. Basket.
Nice one!
Number 12, 3 points. Number 12, number 14.
Hoy!
To number 3.
Pula! Pula!
Nice block. Pass number 3. Number 3.
Wala. Hindi na ako-score. Gracias, score. Nice day! Nice day! Shota!
Number 8, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7.
Hoy! May tubok ng Door! Tatahog! Ay, bisa po. Ay, may ano mga hukay sa mga. Pasama siya. Pasama siya. Sago na siya.
Number 7 and number 3. Basket. Basket. Two points. Number. Seven. Number 7. Eight. Bola. 2 points. Number 7. Pass to number 04. Basket. Number 7. Number 11 for 3. 10 minutes 50 seconds. Number 7. Basket. No good again. No good. Basket. Changing was on the side. Basket number 7. Number 8. Bola. 2 points. Four. Pass number 8. Number 14. 14. Pass number 7. Time to shoot. Basket. 5 minutes, 30 time. Basket, 3 points. Number 12. Basket. The ball by number 8. Number 8. For 3. Number 3.